Hey there, all my pixies and peeps. Thanks for tuning in to the Purple Pixie, and welcome, or welcome back, to the Fairy Garden, which is what I call my craft room. If you've been following me for a while, it may come as no surprise that I love plaid. And of course, being the Purple Pixie, my favorite color of plaid is purple, but next to that is the red and black buffalo check. And then, of course, the ever popular black and white buffalo check. But I also love pink and, of course, green. And in the fall, I really like to use oranges and blacks and browns. But of course, with Christmas, it's all about red and greens and, well, I just love plaid. And do you know what my other favorite kind of plaid is? Plaid products. That's right. They sent me a box full of products when I applied to become an ambassador. So I filmed this unboxing of the things that they sent me, and I thought I lost the footage. But lucky me, I found it. So here it is, what Plaid sent me. Okay, you guys, I am so excited because I finally got my box from Plaid. So this will make it official. I am an official Plaid ambassador and proud to be one because this was actually one of my biggest goals when I started my channel, was to reach 1,000 subscribers to become a Plaid ambassador. However, I found out that you don't necessarily have to have 1,000 subscribers, which is a good thing because I'm not even halfway there. But I did apply, I was approved, and they sent me my box. All I've done is remove the shipping labels, and I'm about to cut it open and see what I have. I am so excited. Like, my knees are usually weak anyway, but I'm barely standing right now. So, let's see. Ooh, well, so far we have some craft paper. Yay! That always comes in handy for shipping and other projects. And oh my goodness, I'm so excited to finally have the dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Yes, it does take 28 days to cure, but it's awesome on projects. Awesome. I'm so glad to finally have some. And some more hard coat Mod Podge. I love this stuff because doing decoupage with like tissue paper and stuff like that just really gives it good hard coating so it lasts a while. And some satin Mod Podge. That's nice. Yeah, because I have a matte and gloss. I don't have any satin, but now I do, thanks to Plaid. And some squeeze bottle matte Mod Podge. Yes, I was always wondering, why doesn't Mod Podge come in a squeeze bottle like Elmer's glue? But I guess it does, so here we are. And of course some paint brushes. I've seen what other people get in their boxes, so I have been so jealous and anxiously waiting to get these. I need paintbrushes bad. Mine are so bad. And these are for painting on glass and a flat brush set. So, oh, thank goodness. These are really going to come in handy. Now, this is what I've really been waiting for, because I love to decoupage. So, I've been wanting one of these brayers, and it comes with a little the scraper tool in there to get all the air bubbles out. So, I'm loving it. Yay! Let's see. Oh, more Mod Podge and gloss. Okay, cool. Yay. You can never have too much Mod Podge. Am I right? Alright. So, we got some ceramic coat in the color Lost Lagoon. That's really pretty. I have a folk art in seashell pink. I love that because I plan on swaying more towards this shabby chic and these pastels and all that. Oh, multi-surface in Cayman blue by Folk Art. That's nice with a satin finish
Indoor, outdoor, and dishwasher safe. So, I'm assuming you can paint on glass or stuff like that. That's really nice. And some bright blue by Apple Barrel. That's great because I've been needing some more bright blue. Actually, I've been needing cobalt blue, but that's really close and I like that. Some folk art Daybreak. That is great because I love yellows and I've been needing some yellows. And look, I've got yellows. The other ones are Apple Barrel Bright Yellow. That is gorgeous. And Ceramcoat Crocus Yellow. That is really nice too. And I love this one. It's going to be a dark, rich color. Moon Yellow. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, let's see what we have in green. We have multi-surface bright green. That's great because, hey, yeah, Christmas is right around the corner, guys. It's going to sneak up on us quick. Lime sorbet. Yes, or is it sherbet? It just depends on how you pronounce it, I guess. What neck of the woods you're in. By Ceramcoat. Acrylic paint. That is so pretty. I like the pastel colors of that. And speaking of pastels, I have another salmon. Ooh, by Ceramcoat. That is so pretty. Of course, we have some white by Apple Barrel. And some black by Apple Barrel, which is great because those two always come in handy. Folk Art's Vivid Orange. That's pretty. That's going to be used quite often with fall coming up. And Brushed Metal by Folk Art. Ooh, I can't wait to get into this one. It has like a gold bronze color to it. I can't wait to use that with some of these new flat brushes. That's going to be so pretty. Just you wait. Oh, and a Brushed Mellow in High Hide. And these have a matte finish, it says. Oh, no, High Hide is not the color. It's silly. This one is Brushed Gold, and this one is Brushed Silver with a matte finish. Very nice. Because I like a little bling and shiny stuff. All that distressing and farmhouse stuff, I don't know. I like a little bling. Calypso Sky. Oh, that is so pretty. Reminds me of when I went on a cruise. The color of the water when you're out at sea. And we've got Folk Art. Superior Coverage Matte Finish Aqua. And some more Ceramcoat in the color Paradise. And yes, it is. That is very pretty. I could see me living in paradise. Okay, and Folk Art in Apple Red. That's going to be used quite a bit. And Flag Red as well by Apple Barrel. Because, like I said, fall and autumn is coming right around the corner. And you're going to need your oranges and your reds and your yellows and browns. And of course, the last one is Lavender by Folk Art. My favorite. Well, I wish I could have got more purples, but that's okay. I'm happy to have what I have. So, what a blessing. I am so excited to get started and use these because I have been needing new paints for so long. Mine are so old and worn out and dried up and clumpy and messy. But having these new paints, you know what that means? That means I'm going to have to rearrange my paint storage. So, that's okay because what I do is make stuff from what I have on hand. So, this box will probably become some kind of shelf before it's all over with. Either for my paint cabinet or my desk, one of the two. So, I just want to give a huge shout out to Plaid and a big thank you for accepting me into your ambassador program and sending me all of this great stuff that will be put to use for sure. So y'all stay tuned and see what I do with it. Have a great day, and God bless. Bye.
So what did you think? That's some great stuff, huh? Well, stay tuned to see all the great things that I make with it. And to do that, I'd like to invite you to join the Pixie party. There's always lots of cheap crafts and lots of cheap laughs. But to do that, you have to click subscribe and ring my bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I'd like to say thank you to all of my viewers as well as the Pixie Party for the love and joy and support, because without you, I wouldn't be here. And of course, a huge thank you to Plaid for all these wonderful products. And if you'd like to support my channel, you can do so by liking, commenting, subscribing, and ringing my bell to know every time I upload a video. Once again, thank you all for watching the Purple Pixie. Please have a blessed day, and remember that all of me loves all of you. One more thing I forgot to say. Check out my new channel, the Purple Pixie Christmas channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below, but be sure to head on over there and subscribe to that one as well.